Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that's essential for anyone who enjoys biking at night, the KunHe Bike Lights set, which includes both front and rear lights. We found this product online and have provided a link in the description below, so you can easily check the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what makes the KunHe Bike Lights stand out. This set is designed specifically for night riding, ensuring that you're visible and safe while cycling in low-light conditions. It includes a high-powered front light with 8 different modes and a rear light with 12 modes. This versatility allows you to customize your lighting based on your riding environment and preferences, whether you're cruising through a quiet neighborhood or tackling a dimly lit trail. One of the standout features of these bike lights is their easy installation. You won't need any tools, just your hands. The universal one-size-fits-all design makes it suitable for a variety of bicycles, including mountain bikes, large road bikes, city bikes, and even children's bikes. In just a few simple steps, you can secure these lights to your bike, making them an ideal choice for those who may not have a lot of technical skills or those who want to save time. When it comes to brightness, these lights don't disappoint. Each bicycle light is equipped with multiple lamp beads, providing high brightness that significantly enhances your visibility on the road. The front light has 8 distinct lighting modes, from steady beams to flashing options, while the rear light features 12 modes, allowing for great flexibility. This means you can easily adapt your lighting to different situations, whether you need a steady light for visibility or a flashing mode to alert others. Another impressive feature is the USB-C charging capability. Both the headlight and taillight can be charged easily, and they come equipped with waterproof silicone sleeves that protect the USB ports from water splashes. With an IPX4 waterproof rating, these lights can handle light rain or fog, making them a reliable choice no matter the weather conditions. But these bike lights aren't just for cycling. Their versatility extends far beyond the bike. They can serve as emergency lighting tools for your car, emergency bag, basement, or attic, ready to provide illumination during unexpected power outages or vehicle breakdowns. Additionally, they are perfect for outdoor activities, whether you're running, hiking, camping, or walking your dog. These lights can provide effective lighting to keep you safe and visible. Now, who is this product suitable for? The KunHe Bike Lights are perfect for cycling enthusiasts of all levels. Whether you're a casual rider taking evening strolls or a serious cyclist tackling longer nighttime rides, these lights will enhance your experience. They also make a thoughtful gift for friends and family, especially for those who enjoy outdoor activities. Giving someone these bike lights shows you care about their safety and well-being. In conclusion, the KunHe Bike Lights set is a practical, versatile, and user-friendly option for anyone who cycles at night or engages in outdoor activities. With high brightness, multiple lighting modes, easy installation, and waterproof features, it truly checks all the boxes for effective lighting. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.